Swadika, hello everyone. I'm Oz, Thai in the United States. Today, I would like to talk about cleaning the oven. This is, I think you guys who clean the oven, you know what is it, right? The product to clean, the spray. When I first came to the United States and then I check everything in my husband's house and then clean about the oven, I see the burn, scrubbed, greasy in that, and I tried to scrub by soap, but it didn't come out well. Then I asked him and he showed me this one, but need to spray and leave it for 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes overnight, some kind like that. And then I very tired with scrubbing. And then one day, I don't remember what festival, we went to my husband's friend's house, and then I went to the kitchen. I'm nosy. I went to the kitchen, and while they're cooking, they opened the oven, and then I asked them, oh no, they not open the oven. They put the fry in the gas stove, and then I asked why you put the fry here. Then she explained that fry gonna help with cleaning. That fry will help with cleaning because when cooking and burn and dirty from greasy, easily cleaning, just throw that away and then change new one. And she showed me the oven that she also used the fry too, and I said, oh yes, this is good. That's what I like to do. And from that time, I put fly in my oven as well. Like, I'm gonna show you what we have right now. I have 2 layers of the oven, but I'm not use the bottom much, so I didn't put the fry on the bottom, but I think I should in case sometime if my husband using it, I don't know. Okay, I will do later. And on the top part, I just changed this 3 days ago. It is very easy, and also I put the fry in the oven at Airbnb units that I clean too, because this helps me doesn't saw and pain my hand with scrubbing at all. So that is one thing I learned when I live here, because in Thailand nowadays the oven using in modern houses, but in the village, up country, sub district, and the poor family, they don't have oven. Well, I don't have oven. That's what I learned when I live in America. Time to go to work. Thank you for stopping by, watching my video, and listening to my very good English. I hope you're not confusing, right? Take care, guys. Bye. And this is the unit Airbnb I cleaned today, only 1 room. I would like to show you, as I told, I put the foil in the oven too.